Ladies and gentlemen, how are you? Everyone is cool and calm. We are here again with you, and today is also one of the most important topic we are going to discuss. The topic is related to hot season. As you know that nowadays we are really suffering a lot. So this will help you a lot, no doubt. Let me do some correction. So I believe that those who are new again, I must say hello to them. Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Mr. Bughio and I'm excited to have you here. So whether you are new, just only joining me for the first time, or you are a regular viewer, thank you for the tuning in. This video, we are going to dive into the most important topic, that's plant, especially the plantations. As everybody knows that nowadays summer season is going on and people feel a lot of hot nowadays. So make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the more helpful content. So let's start. You know that tree planting to get rid of heat wave in summer. This is one of the most important things. You might have seen that in recent years, heat waves have become increasingly severe and frequent due to the global warming. And not only global warming, but rapid urbanization. One must one of the most practical, natural, and sustainable ways to combat this rising threat is through tree planting. Now, everyone should be very much serious. Trees, play a very crucial role in reducing the intensity of the heat waves just by cooling the surrounding environment. This cooling effect occurs mainly through two processes. Number one is called as the providing shade, and another is releasing moisture into the air through a proper process known as the trans transpiration. So when trees release water vapor from their leaves, it helps reduce air temperature, making the surrounding areas significantly cooler. This definitely is especially beneficial and in cities where concrete and absorb and retain heat, causing what is known as the urban heat island effect. The planting trees can help break this cycle by lowering ground and air temperature. So tree uh, planting can start at the most basic level. That basic, level means our homes. If each household plants in a single tree in their yard or on their rooftop, it can make a meaningful difference over time. From homes, we can expand trees, planting efforts to streets where avenues of trees can provide continuous shade. Not only the shade, but really reducing the surface temperature of roads and sidewalks. So, my dear viewers, trees along streets also help reduce the need for air conditioning in the nearby buildings, which in turn lowers energy consumption and definitely for the greenhouse gas emissions. So, as we expand our efforts from the individual streets to entire neighborhoods and cities, we create urban forests and that acts as a protective shield. This could be as a protective shield against the intense heat of summer. Summer means creates a lot of problem for them. So, moreover, trees are not just a kind of the solution to the heat waves; they offer multiple benefits for both the environment and the human health. So, trees improve, you can say, the air quality and absorbing the pollutants and releasing the oxygen. They reproduce noise pollution and support wildlife also. Not only the wildlife, but improve the mental well-being by just only creating green spaces that offer peace and relaxation. So it's not that much difficult if you are really determined. So during summers, when high temperatures can lead to health issues such as heat stroke and dehydration. You can say that tree covered areas provide much needed escape and offer protection to vulnerable populations like the children and the elderly. So you must realize that trees plantation plays a very vital role. So tree planting is also an educational and community building activity, and not only that in different departments, but in schools, organizations, and local governments can organize tree planting drive that not only increase the green cover but also raise um, awareness about the climate change, and environmental protection. So when people when people actively participate in planting and taking care of trees, they in fact develop a sense of responsibility and say connection to the nature. So my viewers, I would say in the last that tree planting is really a powerful and cost-effective way to combat the harmful effects of heat waves, especially during summer. It is a long-term investment in our health, environment, and future. So believe in long-term investment. So not only this one, but while governments and environmental groups have a role to play, individuals and must also take initiative by planting trees in their homes and communities and cities. So a single tree definitely may seem like a small step, but when multiplied across the thousands or millions of the people, it definitely becomes a force strong enough to transform our climate and protect us from scorching heat. So let us act now, plant trees, and pave the way for a cooler, greener, and healthier tomorrow. That's all for today. I must again repeat that you should like, share, and subscribe my channel for fruitful, that content. So see you in the next video. Take care.